guys! Well, here is a short tutorial on how I updated my light stick. A blink on Instagram, Victoria Royron commented on my reels, so this is specially made for you. And of course to the rest of the blinks who haven't updated their light stick. First, download the BLACKPINK application. Next, turn on Bluetooth and location in your smartphone. Tap BLACKPINK Official Lightstick version 2. Click Connect. Double-click the power button on the lightstick. When the Bluetooth is on, it blinks blue. Just wait till the lightstick update is done. And don't touch anything since it automatically downloads its new live reaction data. Now the lightstick has been updated, but we're not done yet. There's more. Next thing to do is long press to power on. And light press it twice to turn on its Bluetooth. Then the application checks on the light stick and updates it again. The lightstick update has been completed. Again, long press to turn on. Then light press twice to turn on its Bluetooth. Finally, the long wait is over. There are 2 presets you can choose from. You can also adjust its brightness. Now let's try if this lightstick really responds to BLACKPINK songs. To my co-blinks, my apology if I had to mute songs of BLACKPINK because prior to this, I got a copyright strike. So while it's blinking, try to imagine BLACKPINK songs or you can play on your end. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next one. Bye!